So you want a beautiful colonial style floor plan with a living room and dining room, but you also want a thoughtfully designed modern kitchen open to a cozy family room with 2-story architectural detail and a gas fireplace? You also need a first floor master suite with a beautifully appointed bath? And you also want a 2-car garage, full basement, and all in a fantastic location across the street from Central Park, Kids Castle, and Kutz Elementary School? Well, you can have everything you want and so much more. This superbly maintained home is full of gorgeous upgrades. Very gently used, this home defines move-in condition. The first floor features hardwood floors in many of the rooms and plush carpeting where you really want that softness underfoot. Details such as bow windows, glass doors with transoms, deep moldings, ceiling fans, and spacious closets add interest and sophistication. The layout of the kitchen is ergonomic but attractive. Open to the family room with a separate breakfast room looking out onto the rear deck with retractable awning. The family room has a beautifully designed gas fireplace surround, which points right up to the second floor bonus room overlook. The master suite is spacious, with large closets and a luxurious master bath with glass-enclosed shower and separate soaking tub. The laundry room and half bath complete this floor. On the second floor, you'll find a bonus room. What a great place for games, media, homeschool, whatever you need a large open space for. The bonus room is open to the family room, but the sellers cleverly installed curtains that can close it off if needed. 2 spacious bedrooms share a bright Jack and Jill bath. The basement with egress window is ready for finishing if you need even more space, and it's plumbed for an extra bath. And if you're looking for a low-maintenance lifestyle, this home is the right choice for you. Snow removal, exterior extermination, gutter cleaning and repairs, roof trim and soffits, common area maintenance, all of this is taken care of by the association and you don't have to worry about it. Just a few minutes drive from Doylestown Borough, you can enjoy all of the perks of living close by, but all of the peace and quiet and the relaxation that community living has to offer. And all of this in Central Bucks School District.